Well, how's it going, everybody? In a new location this time. I'm not going to tell you where we're at today. This is a special location of mine. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a little bit of crevicing. We're at the perfect location right here. We are directly on bedrock, right up against the water line. Water blows all the material up on here. Some of it gets blown off. Some of it gets trapped in the corners. And today we're going to break up into some bedrock, scrape out as much material as we can, and then we'll get to panning. The crevicing, you're going to need some simple tools. A pan classifier. We're going to need our keen fingers, a little crowbar, crevicing tools, just because, a little brush, and a shovel. Alright, so we got that first pan done. Not a lot, but not bad. Look at that. Not too bad. We're going to continue to prospect this bedrock right here, and then we're going to move upstream more. See if our luck changes. Maybe the boat gets bigger, maybe it gets smaller. We don't know yet. Alright, so we've been crevicing the side of this hill here for about half an hour. We are finding some gold. It's not big. We're going to head upstream a little farther to locate some more bedrock. If we can't locate some bedrock, then I guess we're going to be messing with a gravel bar.